toes touching and sink your hips back towards your heels. This is child's pose or balasana. Extend your arms forward on the mat, palms facing down. Rest your forehead on the ground and close your eyes. Feel the gentle stretch in your hips, back and shoulders. As you breathe deeply in this pose, let go of any tension or stress you might be holding. From child's pose, come up to a seated position with your legs extended in front of you. This is called staff pose or dandasana. Sit up tall with your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, begin to hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back as straight as possible. Reach for your toes, but don't worry if you can't touch them. The key is to keep your back straight and avoid rounding your spine. Yoga is more than just movement. It's a powerful tool for your body and mind. Here are some of the top